Hi friends, my name is Deepthi. Welcome to Learn English with Deepthi. In today's lesson, we're going to take a look at some words in English whose origin is from French. Because these words have French origin, the way they sound and the way they are pronounced is very different from the way we usually pronounce English words. So a lot of people tend to get these words wrong. So let's take a look at a few of these words. The first word is rendezvous. It's pronounced rendezvous. The Z in this word is silent and the S at the end is also silent. And the REN is pronounced as ron, not ren. Rendezvous. Rendezvous. Once more it is rendezvous. The meaning of this word is to meet someone at an agreed upon time and place. Here's how to use it in a sentence. Let's rendezvous at the restaurant at 7 p.m. That means let's meet at the restaurant at 7 p.m. The next word is deja vu. It's pronounced deja vu. Deja vu. The pronunciation is not very tricky, but the meaning is kind of tricky. This word means a feeling that you get when you go to a new place or you meet a new person and you get this feeling that you have been there before or you have met this person before. That kind of feeling is called deja vu. Let's use that in a sentence. I felt a deja vu when I walked into that house. So what this person is trying to say is that when they walked into that house, they got a feeling that I have been here before or I know this place. You know, that kind of a feeling that you get when you go to a place or meet a new person, that is called deja vu. The next word is lingerie. The pronunciation again is lingerie. We spell it with L-I-N, but it's not pronounced lin. It's long, long, and the N is not fully pronounced. It's just the beginning of the letter N, long. The G is pronounced as je, lo, je. G-E is je. R-I-E is pronounced as re, re. Lingerie, lingerie. The meaning of this word is fancy undergarments and sleepwear worn by women. Here's how to use it in an example. She stopped by the store to pick up some lingerie. So this word again is lingerie. The next word is chic. It's pronounced again as chic, chic. The meaning of this word is someone or something who is fashionable and stylish. It's usually used to refer to women or things worn by women. It's also used to refer to places, also are called chic sometimes. Here's an example. She looked chic in her new dress. That means she looked very stylish and elegant in her new dress. Remember that when you pronounce this word, the CH makes a sh sound, not a ch sound. It's a sh, chic, chic. And the last C makes a k sound, chic, chic. The next word is faux pas. You pronounce it as faux pas. Remember that when you pronounce this word, the first word, F-A-U-X, it almost sounds like F-O. The U-X at the end of it is not pronounced. It's pronounced faux, faux. And the second word, pa, the S at the end of that word is not pronounced. It's silent. So we say faux pas, faux pas. The meaning of this word is an embarrassing social mistake. Something that you do socially that is embarrassing or not correct according to etiquette. That's called a faux pas. Here's an example of how to use it in a sentence. In some countries, Arriving early to an event is a faux pas. That means in some countries, if you arrive early to an event, then that is not considered appropriate. It's kind of embarrassing. You'll probably be the first one there and there's nobody there if you arrive early. So it's called a faux pas. So I hope this video has helped you understand the correct pronunciation and the meaning of some of these English words which have come from French. Please like and share the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.